Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I want to talk about income producing activities that you need in whatever business opportunity you're in. So if you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you want to receive notifications for when I make a new video, just click the bell icon next to it. Now, I have two business opportunities that I promote. One is called Funnel X ROI. This isn't actually the business opportunity. This is a sales funnel system that I promote, and it has multiple streams of income inside it. Okay, so it does the job of selling those income streams for you. All you do is promote the link to Funnel X ROI. And the other one is called the Fearless Mama. And again, this is a business opportunity where you can receive 100% instant commissions when someone joins you in the Fearless Mama. And in both of these programs, well, this one, you can create multiple streams of income. And the second one, the Fearless Mama, what you're purchasing is marketing training, how to market. And you can use those marketing strategies, solo ads, Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, Craigslist ads, all of that marketing training plus a lot more, including classified ads marketing. All of that marketing training you can use in any business that you're in. It doesn't have to be for just the Fearless Mama. It doesn't have to be just for Funnel X ROI. It can be for any business opportunity you're in. Okay? Now, as far as these opportunities are concerned, whatever business you're in, there are certain activities that you need to do in order to be successful and start generating commissions. And these activities are called income producing activities. So let me show you what are income producing activities. Income producing activities are basically what I have here. Drive traffic. It could be free traffic, it could be paid traffic, or it could be both. You drive traffic to an offer, to a lead capture page that has like an enticing headline, and people are curious about this particular business opportunity you're in, so they'll put in their email address to get more information about that business opportunity. So that's the purpose of driving traffic to a lead capture page to introduce them to your offer. You build your email list. This is part of the income producing activities. When people put in their email address to get more information about your business, not only do they get taken to the video presentation page for that business, but they also get added to your email list so they can start receiving emails from you. Okay? So driving traffic, building your email list, emailing your list at least 5 times a week. A lot of people do it every day. When you email your list, you want to provide value to people. Answer their questions, ask them if they have any questions. They can reply to you or call you or message you on Facebook. Give them business tips and strategies that they can use whether they join you in your business opportunity or not. And also provide encouragement. Talk about how to develop a success mindset in order to help them to create the right mindset in order to start their own business and to be successful in it. Okay, this is what you do. This is about providing value to your leads that are on your email list. These are the income producing activities: driving traffic to your offer, building your email list, emailing your list several times a week. You know, every day is great. 5 times a week is fine. Providing value to those people. If you have a YouTube channel and you make videos talking about your business opportunity, you can email those videos to your list too. And also invite them to friend you on Facebook or message you on Facebook. And all of those activities will help your people on the list get to know, like, and trust you. This is what's called developing the know, like, and trust factor. And I talk about this a lot because this is what helps you generate those commissions. Okay? Developing the know, like, and trust factor. The more people on your list get to know you, then they'll start liking you. And the more they like you, then they'll trust you enough to join you in your business opportunity. So with the emails that you send to your list every day or several times a week, this is the goal of those emails: to develop the know, like, and trust factor. Allow the people on your list to get to know who you are. Okay, put a profile picture of yourself at the bottom of your emails so people can know what you look like. Okay, if you're okay with putting a phone number in your emails, so if they have any questions, they can call you. 99% of the time, people are not going to call you, but you know, if they want to call you, they know that, hey, this person is putting their phone number in their emails. So this again establishes that you're a real person and that you're available to answer questions from them. Okay, and also when they go to your Facebook page, when you put a link to your Facebook page on your emails, when they go to your Facebook page, what do they see? Hopefully they're seeing positive posts on your Facebook wall. You're posting encouraging quotes, success quotes. You're also posting your results in your business every now and then on your Facebook page, and you don't have anything negative on there. Make sure you don't have anything negative on your Facebook page. Nothing about politics, nothing about religion. Stay away from those topics. If you have that kind of stuff on your Facebook page, best thing to do is open up a different Facebook account. Okay, all you need is a different email address. Just put in a different email address. You can get a Gmail address, put in a different email address, and open up another free Facebook account using that new email address, and then start building up your friends list and posting positive stuff on your page, and talking about your business and things like that. And also that's what helps you to develop the know, like, and trust factor. Okay, so that is the purpose of the emails that you send to your list: inviting them to your Facebook page, your YouTube channel if you have one, and Instagram if you have that too. All of this, including putting your phone number in your emails and also a profile picture of yourself in your emails, asking them if they have questions, they can reply to your emails or message you on Facebook or call you. All of this helps to develop that know, like, and trust factor. Okay, and also when you send these emails out, you can also talk about the results you're getting in your business. If you haven't gotten any results yet, you can talk about the results other people are getting in the business opportunity that you're in. Okay, so that's basically what the income producing activities are. If you do these things every day, drive traffic to your offer, whether it's free traffic, paid traffic, or both. Build your email list. Email your list at least 5 times a week, if not every day. Provide value to those people on your list and allow them to get to know, like, and trust you. Then you'll start seeing commissions come in. It may be sporadic at first, but eventually you'll start seeing consistent commissions come in. Now, I'm in the process right now of reading a book that helps talks about this compound effect. Okay, and the book is called The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Jumpstart your income, your life, your success. I have the audiobook version of this. I really encourage people to either get the book itself or the audiobook version of The Compound Effect. And basically the whole principle around the compound effect is that if you take small actions on a consistent basis, eventually you'll start seeing positive results, whether it's in your business or in your life, your health, whatever, anything that you need help with. Like it says, jumpstart your income, your life, and your success. So taking those small actions on a consistent basis every day. And if you keep doing that, even if you're not seeing results at first, eventually, at some point, you will start seeing those results. It may take some time, but you have to keep doing those small actions on a consistent basis. And then once the results start coming in, it may be sporadic at first. It may not be that much at first, but soon it'll snowball, or it'll compound and get larger and larger. Now, as far as business is concerned, these small actions right here of driving traffic, building your email list, and emailing your list several times a week and providing value to those people, doing those things on a consistent basis over and over again, even if you're not seeing results at first, but if you keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it, eventually you'll get your first commission. And your commissions may come in sporadically at first, but then eventually you'll start seeing commissions come in once a week, and then several times a week, and then once a day, and then several times a day. You can go from a few $100s a day up to a few $1,000s a day. That's the compound effect. All of your actions, those small actions you're taking every day on a consistent basis right here, all of those actions you've been taking for months, you'll start seeing the fruits of those actions as time goes by. Okay? You know, most people don't see their first commission for a couple of weeks, a few weeks, a month, or even a couple of months. You know, I know somebody who didn't see their first commission for like 9 months. Okay? And then he became a multimillionaire promoting a business opportunity. But the reason that took him 9 months was because he didn't know about these income producing activities at first. He was going through a lot of trial and error, but once he figured out these income producing activities, he started doing those every day. And that's when he started getting his commissions. So for me, like I said in a previous video, it took me a month and a half to get my first commission. And then after that, it took a couple of weeks before I got my second commission, and it was a larger commission. So you just have to be patient, and you just have to not give up. Be patient, don't give up, do the income producing activities every single day on a consistent basis, and then you'll start seeing that compound effect eventually. I can't tell you when it'll happen, but it will happen if you don't give up and if you continue to do these activities. Like he says, like Darren Hardy says, small actions done on a consistent basis will eventually get to a point where you start seeing results in your business, and then those results will compound until you're seeing results every day. You're getting commissions every day. You're going from a few $100s a day to a few $1,000s a day. Okay, so that's basically all I wanted to go over here. This part I put choose the opportunity that best suits you. If you're interested in Funnel X ROI or the Fearless Momma, and you want more information about that so you can choose which opportunity best suits you, I'll have both links below this video in the description area. Just click on one of those links and you'll get more information about both of those opportunities. Alright, again, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.